Does your garage door sound like a freight train every time it opens or closes? It's likely your rollers. In the Barrack Heights area, we specialize in fixing worn or damaged rollers that cause your garage door to operate noisily or jerkily. Rollers are essential for smooth movement along the tracks, and when they wear out, it's not just noisy, it can also shorten the life of your garage door. Don't put up with the noise and hassle. Call us today at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals in Barrack Heights will replace those old rollers and get your garage door moving smoothly and quietly again. Trust us to bring back the peace and efficiency to your garage door operation.